Hello YouTube and welcome to fixitsamo channel. Today I'm going to show you the most common reason why we have hard time charging our phone using our cable. As you see over here, now it's not working. I have to flip sides and even push with my hand. There you go, now it's working. And some of us would think that it's our charging cable that is not working, and even sometimes we go to a repair shop and ask to change our charging port of our phone. But trust me guys, there is an easy way. Before you do anything, I'm gonna show you now a simple and easy way to clean your charging port, and trust me, it's gonna work. Okay guys, so just make sure that you are using the right tools. I got here the needle nose, as you see. Don't use any of these paper clip, paper pin, or a toothpick, because you're gonna end up by damaging your charging port. Okay, so let's get started. Now the first step is, which is the most important, is to turn off the phone before you touch the charging port. There you go. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the dust removal and I'm gonna spray a bit. Oh my god, as you see guys already, wow. Now I'm gonna start removing using the needle nose. Oh my god, I haven't expected this. There's so much, wow. This is exactly what happens when we wear brand new jeans and put our phone in our pockets. We end up having these pieces of lint. Wow. Wow, I can't believe there's just so much. I wonder it wasn't working properly. I'm gonna try to spray it again with the dust remover. Looks like it's clean now. Just gonna one more. There you go. One last time. Wow guys, I just took out all these pieces of lint from my phone. I'm pretty sure now it's gonna be working fine. Okay, so yeah, looks good so far. And there you go guys, as you can see, it's charging. And even if I move the cable, there's no problem. And if you can notice now, when you insert the charger plug, you're gonna hear a click. There you go, that's what you're supposed to have as reaction when you insert the charging cable inside the charging port of your phone. So now it's working properly. There you go, it's still charging. I can't even believe how much did I remove from my charging port. This is amazing. All this lint, this comes out especially when you wear a brand new jeans and you put your phone in your pocket. That's what's gonna happen. You're gonna end up by having small pieces of lint inside your charging port, and eventually what's gonna happen, by time it's gonna block and you won't be able to charge your phone anymore. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe under fixitsamo, one word, and we will see you next time.